ready to unlock the secret to more relaxed weeknights and more delicious dinners. This apple slaw isn't just a side dish, it's a vibrant and healthy recipe that practically makes itself. Get ready to spend more time enjoying your meal and less time in the kitchen. Let's get started. So, some of the key ingredients is chop up a small head of cabbage. You want to have a good brand of mayonnaise. Dukes is what we prefer, but you can use Hellmann's. They're both incredibly good. And of course, your apples. Okay, so first we're going to take our whole carrots. Now, obviously, you can just use the matchstick carrots, but this is just what we had in our fridge, so I'm just going to use these. Cut the ends off. And I'm just going to peel the outside of the skin. And you want them to look nice and smooth like this. And I'm just going to use my peeler and I'm just going to peel pieces off like that. But like I said, you can save this step and just use the matchstick carrots that they have at the store. That's perfectly fine. But this is just what we had in our fridge. So we're going to do it this way. And we're just going to do this for the carrot, each of the couple carrots that you have, until you have enough pretty much to put in your salad, which it shouldn't take that long. As you see, it's easily shreddable or peelable, whatever you would like to call it. You just want to have nice little thin strips like this. We're just going to take our apples and just cut them, chop them, cut up the apples, and core them. Just going to core it. You're going to do that for each of your apples. Okay, and after they were cored, we're just going to cut these into just really thin slices. As thin as you can get it. You're just going to do that for each of your slices. And after you cut them thinly, just go ahead and cut them in half. So that way it's kind of like that. There we go. Okay, so as you see, there's our apples, nice and thinly chopped, the red and the green. And we're just going to take our freshly chopped cabbage and just put it in a bowl. Our carrots, green onion, our apples. Just going to mix this a little bit, get everything nice and incorporated. Our coleslaw. All right, so we're going to go ahead and make our dressing for our apple slaw. We're going to put our mayo. I want to measure this out because I don't want to use too much. You want to have just the right amount. Well, you want to use apple cider vinegar. And we're going to go ahead and put in some lemon juice. We're going to use some granulated sugar. And we're just going to give this a good mix. Going to put some black pepper in there. Add our salt. Can't go without that. And our celery seed. And this helps give it a nice distinct taste. Go ahead and mix that in. Okay, and we're just going to pour this yummy dressing. Make sure we get all of it out. And we're just giving this a good mix in and make sure it's all evenly coated. All right, and so after mixing it, you place it in the fridge for a couple hours, let it chill and get nice and cold, and it's ready to enjoy and serve. So also, we would love to share some scripture with you, and we're in Hebrews chapter 11, verse 1, and it says, "Now faith is the reality of what is hoped for, the proof of what is not seen." So as Christ followers, we don't see and then believe, we believe without seeing. So just remember to keep your eyes on Jesus and have a blessed week. So if this video was at all helpful to you, we ask that you give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Comment down below, are you going to try this apple slaw recipe? And make sure that you ring that notification bell and check out our latest video uploads.